Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to select Tabby Cashback categories. So let's get started. First, open Tabby app, then navigate to money section in the bottom. Then in the top right corner you will see a cashback icon. Click on it. Okay, then you can see select categories. Click on select categories and select up to 3 categories from where you want to get cashback. Okay, in my case I want to get cashback from petrol station, then pharmacy, beauty and self-care. Okay, you can select 3 from 5, then click on confirm. Now you can see cashback categories is successfully added. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.